In this video, we're going to clean the Seiko Kinetic Watch. We're going to do a little close-up to see what it looks like before. Okay, so let's take a look around and I'll show you the issues here. So, see, we got all this grime right here. And we got it all around. We even got some right here and then underneath. And if we take this off, I already undid it. So, you can see that there's some grime all around. So we're going to clean all that up, and then we're also going to address the little bit of scratches, well, actually quite a lot of scratches on the front of the watch face right there. So the things that we're going to need are microfiber cloth. Got these little wooden sticks to scrape away some of this grime, and we're also going to use a brush to clean some of it. Regular little bit of soap and some water. Okay, and then in order to clean the scratches, we're gonna use new finish. So we'll see how all that works. Let's get to it. Okay, it's looking better already. But I want to get the dirt that's inside this part here. It's going to be a bit tricky because I don't want to get that stuff. Oh, it's not too bad, but I don't want to get any of that stuff inside the components. So I'm going to use this piece of plastic to cover up the mechanisms, and I'm going to slowly scrape away some of that dirt that's in there. Okay, so now it's looking much better, as you can see, and I close this up. I cleaned the inside as well, cleaned all that up in there, and now we're going to use a little bit of soap and water, very little, not too much, and we're just going to do a pass over on all these parts one more time just to get it a little bit more shiny. Then we'll address the little glass part of it. So just want to dip our brush in there just a little bit. And then we just want to go slow. Okay. Add on the soap on with one end, and then I clean it up with the other end like that. So you don't need very much, just a little bit. Goes a long way. And you can see down here, this is all the stuff that came off of it. See all that? That's all the stuff that we scraped off the watch.
Connected.
Alright, well, we're just going to take our little micro fiber cloth. And now we can see it's looking much better. Okay, now let's see if we can get rid of some of these scratches on the front part. But take a look all around. This is what it looks like now. Alright, so let's do the scratches on the front of the watch and see if we can get it to be a little bit better. Okay, so there it is after polishing it up a little bit with that new finish. So the scratches are still there, they're not completely gone, but it just looks overall just a bit better. So that's what kind of what I was aiming for. So it looks really nice now. Okay, we are done cleaning our watch, and this is what it looks like. Okay, 10 times better. It's all nice and shiny now. It's clean, it's ready to go. We're just gonna put the bands back on, but that's pretty much it.